it glitched. But anyway, we're here. Jimmy's back. Grom video. You know what that means. Could actually get some views. So we're gonna wash the Groms up. We're going to a car show today on the Groms. Why not, you know? Jimmy, you excited about this?
Pumped. Static.
Pumped. Jimmy quit vaping. Everybody out there, stop vaping.
It's not good for you.
Jimmy's diabetic because of it. But anyway, so we're gonna get the Groms all spiffied up because we're gonna be showing them off.
These are bad
rides, boys.
Bad machines.
All right, so yeah, let's do it.
Shout out to Rob. You shouldn't have sold yours. You're fucking fat.
Yep. Just like that, they're all clean. Jimmy's swapping over his headset. We'll be on our way. Pick you guys up on the road. Alright. I'm a large human, so I gotta draft off Jimmy to keep it going. Oh, we'll get there. We'll get there. We're doing 55. Oh, we're fucking bogging down. Oh yeah, it's all washed out right there. They got the grate all up here. Oh yeah. We got a lot of rain the last couple days, so we had a lot of washouts. Yeah, fucking, I gotta get up to you, dude. This poor thing. Alright, we'll pick you guys up when it looks like we're flying down the other side of the mountain. I don't know if this car show's going on. Everything was washed out. The one road is closed, so we got a detour, and I don't know if we're gonna be able to get to it. So we'll let you get. Fuck him. Fucking Harley guys, man. That's why I'll never buy a Harley. Losers like that. These are bikes, boys. They're not mopeds. Fuck that guy. Unreal. Alright, so there's all kinds of closures, so we got to go up some mountain roads. We would be like not even 5 minutes from there, but with all the closures, we are an hour and 4 minutes away. So it's an adventure on the Groms, boys. Let's ride on. These little goat paths here, some cool views. Watch out for the gravel. So it's all about, and it'll probably cost us well, like maybe $4 for this trip. Yeah. Yeah. So hopefully we find a way. Ah, yeah. See, whatever. This is weird. I feel like these aren't even roads. Is that what it said? That's probably why it's so slow, speed limit. Whatever, it's fun. That's a nice barn. I'm gonna have a barn like that to work on my car one day, boys. So get me up to a 1,000. Oh shit! Oh shit! Where the fuck does this thing have us going? It said, I don't know. It's weird. It says to go back here. Yeah, I don't know. This is weird, dude. I feel weird. What the fuck? It's on the map. That's so weird. I feel weird right now. Yeah, this is not. What the fuck is this? You just went. What the hell? Yeah, we're out of here. Don't. This is not a road. Where does it think we are? Alright, well, yeah, wrong turn. GPS, that is going to somebody's backyard. That's good. It's so weird. It's Google. So yeah. I don't know, now it's telling us to go back this way. Probably have us loop around and back up into that guy's backyard. Slow horses. Okay, good. We're out of here. Sorry, boys. Oh, that's why I've never been down these roads. It's somebody's house. Look at that. That fence is down. It's crazy. We gotta go here. Oh. Unreal. Let's see what we got. Broken away. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's good. We're gonna make it to this car show. It's probably not even going on, but we're gonna make it. Billy goating it out. That's good. Due to training. Unbelievable. Someone's license plate. Alright. We are not making it to this car show. Just yeah, no, it's not even going on, but we're just not making it anyway. It's bad. They got swamped up here. What was the storm? It like nor'eastered or? Yeah, just really, I feel like it wasn't even like, usually I get water in my basement and there was no water in my basement. Oh shit. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, I mean, in this it washes all down, so that's a lot of fucking water. Yeah. Boys, when going over rocks and debris in the road, just nice and easy. Try not to hit the brakes hard. Don't give it much gas unless you want to have fun. Just smooth right over it. You'll be good. I guess we're heading down. You already saw this. We'll pick you guys up and figure out what's going on. West pointing it. Yeah, that was it, but it's all overgrown. The GROMS don't like mountains, boys. GROMS do not like mountains. Fly. Let's top this puppy out right now, boys. We're fucking full tucked here. Fuck this car. Dial it off. Oh, it's funny. You're behind me? You're right behind me? Oh. I went 70. Not too shabby. boys. We're bucking up. I'm fucking yoked, boys. I am fucking yoked. So we just slammed down a large pizza. Just us two. And 6 knots. So the GROMS might not be able to move with us on them. So bear with us. We'll get her going though. Luckily I got the 18 speed, so be hammering gears. Oh, all right. So you know, we're going down some back roads, heading home, or not. I don't know. Just see where the wind blows. Staring at some houses that maybe one day I'll be able to afford. If you like, comment, share, subscribe. I need a thowie. I need 1,000 subbies. Oh, is he challenging us? You're done, kid. Let's hunt this motherfucker down. Eat shit, bitch. There's always a lot of deer on this road, boys, so if we fucking hammer one, it's worth it for the channel. Beautiful night though. Beautiful night to burn a little bit of gas in these puppies. 2 notches left? Oh. I forgot how we didn't fill yours up. I used 3 notches. Yeah. I used 3 notches. Naciones. We're down, that's the Hudson River. We're just gazing around. What these people do. Whoa! This fucker, he's everywhere. I didn't even know you were right there. Kinda. Oh, I don't care. I just didn't want to hit you. So I was kind of swerving to the left. Or drifting. It's probably because you're on a rock. Oh, whoa! I noticed Jimmy don't get her low, boys. Jimmy stands up. Jimmy don't swing that thing. Yeah. We can get in there, it's all fenced off. Coming around. Don't ever do that, boys. That was very dangerous. I grew up down here. You know, I've been swinging down here for years. Nah, I don't remember. Oh yeah, that Audi. I was in the Prelude. All right, so we're back at the house. You know, good day. Good day on the GROMS. Jimmy fled the scene already, but forgot to do an outro. So we got nothing planned, but hey, always stick around. we always got something coming. So catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.